Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you guys once again, and in today's video we're going to be having a quick tutorial. Have you ever wondered using a particular app? Not to even go further, Xender. Do you know how useful your Xender app is? Xender has so many hidden functions that you don't know. Do you know with your Xender you can actually extract audio from your video files, whereby you have to keep two files, that is, you keep the video and you also get to keep the audio files, like an MP3 or MP4. Also, do you know that with your Xender you can connect to 3 different social media: your Facebook, your Instagram, and even your WhatsApp status, just with a click? You can send in things to your status. And do you also know that you can even get videos from your Instagram with your Xender? If you want to know how to achieve all this, then you want to keep watching this video. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how to do all these amazing things I said earlier on with just your Xender app. This is not a sponsored video. However, I found out about all these qualities and I decided to share with you, my loves, here. So let's go straight into the video. Now I'm just going to start with Android, because this function applies to both Android and also iPhone. So Android user, let's do this. So first of all, you need to recognize what the app looks like. So now I'm using my Android phone and the app is called Xender. This is the icon of the app on my phone, and I'm just going to open it now. So I'm just going to open Xender. When you open it, it pops up a white interface, Xender. It takes a few minutes. Okay, so now that we're here, so it brings you to this interface. If you want to connect to other devices, whereby you send in your videos and pictures, like what we all know Xender for, you click on this share icon here, down here. So you just click on the share icon and it gives you a send or receive icon. So if you're sending, you click on send, and if you're receiving, you click on receive. But that's not where we're going to, because I told you there's so many hidden amazing features that Xender has to offer. So now, looking at your phone, clicking on the 3 dotted line up here, you see music shake. So if you click on music shake, it tells you that music shakes enable you to exchange music with others, so your MP3 files will be shared and seen by other shakers. So you can also do this also. The next thing there is top music. Have you ever thought of the fact that you can actually download songs using your Xender? Is that easy? So if we click on top music, it pops up this interface and it tells you song or singer. You can search for any song or the person that sang the song as a singer. You can just search for them and you can download. There's an icon there that has the download icon, so you can actually download them. If you click on the arrow beside the download icon, it's going to take you straight to your browser, where you can see the song coming, as in you can see where the song is coming from, like the site that is actually giving you this song, and you can download also from there. So we're just going to go back. The last thing I want to show you here before I move to the amazing one you've been waiting for is the night mode or morning mode. You can actually switch from either morning mode to night mode with just that icon showing. Now let's go back to the home interface. So now we are the home interface. Now come down, just come down, look down. You will see what an icon, like a TV icon there, and it's written to MP3. So if you click on it, do you understand? If you click on that to MP3, when you click on it to MP3, it takes you to this interface, right? Now, can you see what I'm saying? You don't understand yet, I will explain. So now when you click on the select video, it takes you into your phone, into your gallery, whereby you can actually select a video, and selecting on a video right now is actually going to extract the audio of that video. Doesn't that sound nice? Does that sound beautiful? When one app is doing all this for you and you don't have to download so many apps to do all this. Stop. So right now, go and delete all those apps and just keep one app, Xender. It has actually extracted the audio for me, and I can actually listen to the audio. As simple as that, whereby you have to keep the audio file. So you can actually keep the audio file and also still have your video file. So now let's go to another amazing thing, still in this interface. When you click on local, and you click on the video, that's where you can actually view all the videos on your phone. So now let's leave this interface and move on to another interesting thing Xender has to offer. So now if you click on the next icon just down below, which is called games, it takes you to online games. When you click on games, it takes you to this interface. It's online games. It shows you so many games that you can actually play just like that. So let's see, let's just play one. Let me see. I'm not actually interested in playing a game right now, but let's just play one. So I just clicked on the game right now. It's taking time to load. So it's just going to take you to this game and you're going to play the game. So let's just go back because I really need to show you guys more amazing things happening right now. So the next thing you're going to do is the next icon there is the share icon, like I told you, right? So now the next one after the share icon is called social. So click on your social. Voila. Clicking on your social, you can see I've actually connected my Xender to my WhatsApp. So that's why I can see all these top pictures of people, what was in their status, especially the ones that you've actually opened or you've seen already in the person's status on your WhatsApp. So you have the opportunity to actually download people's WhatsApp status without having to download the app. You know, there's an app actually that you can use to download people's status, WhatsApp status, Instagram status. But this is giving you the opportunity to actually download people's WhatsApp in one application. Have you seen how many amazing things Xender has to offer? So now you can download, you can view them, you can download them, and you can also go back. You can send it to anyone on your status. So if you click on that call icon or the WhatsApp icon, it will take you back to your WhatsApp interface and tells you to actually select who you want to send it to. Otherwise, you can click on the download icon and actually download send status and have it in your phone as a file in your gallery. So the next thing there is Instagram. Wow. Find a video. Did you see the icon? When you click on the find video icon, it brings you to this interface and it tells you to actually sign in or log in. So if you sign in and log in, thereby it has a registered account with you have a registered account already on Facebook and Instagram, which we all know Facebook and Instagram are linked together. So by the time you sign in, you have the opportunity to actually see videos on your Instagram. That's not all. Let's go back. Another amazing thing about this Xender under social is the downloader. The downloader gives you the right to be able to download anything once you have the URL. Like if you've seen a video on somebody's Instagram and you copy the URL, just paste it here and it's going to download it. Be it Facebook, be it TikTok, be it Twitter. You have the right to download the files and the files will just be placed under this place. Have you seen the amazing things Xender has to offer for all Android users? Also iPhone users, I'm going to show you guys what amazing things can happen with Xender on your iPhone also. So now let's move out of this place, and to me, we all know the me is all about what you sent, what you received, and the people that are connected to you under this place. So guys, that's one of the amazing things I want to share with you about Xender. What do you think about this app so far? Isn't it amazing the things this app can actually do? So if you enjoyed this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell. For iPhone user, Xender is Xender. It's still the same icon. So once you click on the Xender, once you've downloaded it on your iPhone, click on the Xender icon. Then it brings you to the home page interface, right? So once you get to the home page, there at the top, you can see images, audio, videos, and file. Then above this is a plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, it is written there. You can connect to your PC, that is a computer, or you can connect to a non-iOS or iOS device. So once you come down, by my right now, you will see a browser icon down there. Once you click on the browser icon, you can use this browser to visit websites. And to go back to your normal home page interface, just click on, at the bottom side, click on this green notepad icon. Once you click on it, it will bring you back to the normal Xender home page. Now the icons are the bottom of the app. There you can see the player. You can see to MP3. You can see the share icon. That is where you have the receive and the send. And you can see just after that PC and me. Now let's start from the beginning. The player, click on it. Once you click on the player, you see you can actually view all your audio files, like your music, your voice notes. And click on there's two icons above here. Once you click on it, you can actually create a playlist and also play it. Now moving to the next icon below. The next icon below is to MP3. Now to MP3 runs the same function as the Android one, whereby you extract audio files from videos. You keep the original video that has the sound, and also you have the opportunity to keep a file, an audio file of what was in the video. Now the next icon beside that is the PC. That is after the share icon. The PC icon, you can use this to connect to your computer by opening the web address. Then the last icon there is me. You know about the me, that's where you have everything about you, the amount of files you've sent out. You can change your profile, and that's all. And that brings us to the end of this video. Now you know that your Xender can actually do more than just sending and receiving files, videos, and also sounds from friends and family. With your Xender, you can do more amazing things connecting to your other social media. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also please, you can leave a comment below on what you think about this video, or what kind of video would you like me to do more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel until I come your way next. Bye.